You know, people always say that it takes money to make money, but those people don't know one thing. And in this video, I'm gonna be showing you how you, from anywhere in the world, can make $1,000 per day with zero money to start. Let's go. Guys, so first of all, if you're new here, make sure you do two things. Tap the little like button and subscribe if you like making money. If you don't like making money, you don't have to subscribe. But if you do, join the Strongest Family on YouTube, because why not? In today's video, we're gonna be talking about how to actually make money when you don't have any money. And I'm actually gonna do this live for you guys. We're gonna actually be sharing my screen in just about 10 seconds, 30 seconds, and we're gonna be going through exactly how I would do this if I was in your shoes. If I was watching this video, this is the exact strategy that I would use if I was trying to make, you know, $1,000 in a day, right? Or $1,000 or $2,000 in a month. Because the thing is, and what we're gonna be teaching you today, is a strategy where you can make money with nothing, right? Because most of the businesses nowadays, especially businesses online or even like real estate and traditional businesses, it takes money to make money. That saying is a saying, right? It's a cliche because it's often true, but that's not saying that it's universally true. There, of course, are ways that you can make money with no upfront investment. So that's what we're gonna be focusing on today. And so without further ado, let's jump into my screen and we'll talk about exactly how to do this. All right, guys, so welcome into my screen. What we're gonna be talking about today is an awesome tool, how you can actually find businesses that want to give you money. We're gonna talk about how that actually works in just a second. What we're looking at right now is a tool that I built originally for myself, but then I ended up sharing with my students. What this tool does is save you so much time going out and trying to find new leads. Like any business that you create, you need customers, you need businesses, you need people to actually want to pay you money. And so how do you do that without having any upfront investment? With real estate, you know, you make a down payment, people give you rent money, it's income. With Amazon, you buy products up front. If you're opening a restaurant, right, you have to pay expenses to open up the actual building, to buy the food, to pay the employees. But today, we're gonna talk about a way that you don't have to do any of that. You can just literally, with the knowledge inside of your brain, you know, make money magically appear. And so this is a tool called ManyLeads. This is actually a tool inside of a suite of tools called Marketer Magic that, again, I built, you know, pretty much for myself, but we're actually gonna talk about how we're gonna use it to make money right now. And so there are a couple of different tools here. If you are just signing up for Marketer Magic, there is a completely free trial that I definitely say that you should take advantage of. Why not? It's a completely free trial. If it's making you money, keep it. If it's not, don't use it. And that's as simple as that. And so there's a bunch of different tools. We're gonna actually talk about one called ManyLeads. But when you first join Marketer Magic, definitely start right here in Marketer University, where I'm gonna be sharing a lot of strategies that I use in my own business that are gonna make you a ton of money. But again, without further ado, let's jump into ManyLeads. So what ManyLeads does is it goes out and actually scrapes through tens of millions of different terms of businesses from all around the world. So let's say that we're looking for, you know, a real estate agent in Las Vegas. We'll just call this real estate, let's see if I can spell it right, Vegas, and we're gonna look for a real estate agent. And we're gonna do Las Vegas. What we're gonna do is we're gonna press show leads. And now what ManyLeads is actually gonna do is it's gonna go out and look through, you know, tens of millions of different terms and businesses and people and, you know, all of these different things that we're actually going to show you guys right here. So you can see that there's 1,302 entries just in one city, just for one term. You can also, you know, search for dentists, doctors, insurance agents, massage parlors, anything, right? And all of these businesses have one thing in common. They need new profitable customers entering the door. And the world has changed. How you get new and profitable customers into the door now is by using what people are using, right? And what are people using? They're using Facebook, they're using Instagram, they're using Snapchat, they're using Yelp, they're using all of these different tools, you know, to find what restaurant to go to find what real estate agent to actually use, right? And so that's what marketing does. It puts you in front of the right people who actually want to do things and buy from you. So if we actually open this up a little bit, we'll see that there's, we'll add 50 entries. And what we can see is there's all these different emails. These are literally the top real estate agents and businesses in Las Vegas. We can see, you know, your realtor LV at yahoo.com. So this is this person's personal email address. We have their personal cell phone number. We have their address. For many of these, we have people's actual, you know, Facebook pages, Twitter pages, LinkedIn pages that we can actually go ahead and look at, right? Here's Zane Weber, realtor, BHHS Nevada Properties, Rainy Team Realty, Yuval Zukin, right? All of these different people who need new and profitable leads into their businesses. All of these different real estate agents need people to buy homes, and they need people to sell homes because they earn money off of commissions. And so the more people who know about them, the more money that they're gonna make. And so how do they actually do that in today's day and age? They leverage social media and social media marketing, right? And so what we're gonna be talking about in this video is how to take advantage of all of that. But I'm literally going to give you the exact script that I use to make, very easily $1,000 in a day. All you have to do is sign one client, get one yes, and you make $1,000 in a day. And it's literally that simple. And so let's talk about exactly how you do that. So we can actually open up their websites here as well and check these out. This person doesn't seem to have one. Let's check out Stuart Cohen Liver. Let's open up a couple of these as well. Rain Team Realty. Yuval. All right, so Yuval Zukin. Viewed Las Vegas from the top of the valley. So we can see here that this is a website about this particular real estate company. They can have featured listings right here. And one thing that I immediately notice about good old Yuval Zukin is they don't have a pixel on this page, right? This is a very simple Chrome extension that I advise you to install. Again, it's completely free. It's called Facebook Pixel Helper. We can see that they do not have a Facebook pixel. Let's look at this other one. We can see that these guys do have a Facebook pixel, right? It's detected, it's seen right here. Why is that important? So Yuval doesn't have a Facebook pixel, meaning then when people actually visit this particular page, they have no idea. They can't retarget them, they can't do anything. They can't form custom audiences, they can't do a single thing, right? And so if you find somebody like Yuval right here, they don't have a Facebook pixel, and we have their email address right here. We have their Facebook page right here. And so what I would do is I would focus on the people that don't have a Facebook pixel, because just that one tiny thing is gonna make a huge difference for their business. And so what I would do is I would come back to Marketer Magic here. I would open up this person's Facebook page, and we're gonna send them a message, right? We're gonna send them a message. We're also going to send them an email. And so we have their email right here as well. And I actually just wrote out this basic script for you guys. I would say something like, hey, love your page. I see you guys come highly recommended. I run a boutique digital marketing company and just wanted to give you guys a heads up that with just a simple tweak to your marketing, I think I could I could get you significantly more customers. Let me know if you'd like to chat. I'm more than happy to explain completely for free, of course. My personal cell phone is, whatever, or you can reach me at my email at whatever. So what this does is it gets your foot in the door, right? If you try to charge up front, you're not gonna get anything. But if you say that you're willing to explain to them for free and actually be willing to explain to them for free, then what's gonna happen is these people are going to respond. Maybe not all of them, maybe not right away, but the thing is with Marketer Magic, you have 1,302 entries, right? This is literally just page number 1. We could go through every single one of these pages and email every single one of these people and message every single one of these people on Facebook. There's literally thousands, over 1,000 of these people. Even if you get a 1% response rate, that's still 13 different people saying yes. And every single person who says yes to you, that's $1,000 that you just made. Literally, all you have to do is message these people, every single one of them, one by one, the same script. And the more personal you make it, the better. So I would say, like for this Yuval person, let's see if they posted anything recently. So they posted something on the 30th of May. They posted something on the 8th of May. You could say something like, I love the post you made about states with the strongest job growth, right? Something that they actually did. Or you could say something about their website, or you could say something about one of the pictures that they posted or a listing or something like that. Just make it a little bit more personal, and then they're gonna be more likely to respond and not think that you're just sending them some template. But the thing is, even if you get a 1% response rate with all of these entries, and you have all of their emails, you have all of their phone numbers, you have all of their Facebook, so you can send them all an email, send them all a Facebook, you could call them, right? With a 1% response rate, that's 13 people times $1,000 per person who says yes, right? That's $13,000 a month all of a sudden that you're making just by setting up this strategy, doing this basic strategy. So what are they actually paying you for? Literally, they are paying you to set up very basic ads that look exactly like this. So these are just some simple Facebook ads that I literally just Google searched just to show you guys examples of. You know, for sale, 559,000, 4-bedroom, 3-bath, you know, XX square feet, lot size 2 acres. And then it has like a little basic video of the house itself. And most of these videos are just slideshows of images. And the real estate agent has these images already. So all you have to say is, you know, what listings are you trying to sell? I'd be more than happy to set up a simple Facebook ad that looks exactly like this, right? But it would be, you know, your company, it would be their company name. You could even go one step further and you could have somebody on Fiverr like Photoshop their actual business name right here. And you could take a listing from one of their websites. If you really want to go above and beyond, if you send somebody a Facebook ad that you create that looks exactly like what you'd be making them, they are going to respond. It's just as simple as that. Human nature, right? They're going to be like, wow, this person really went out, you know, above and beyond, out of their way to actually make something specifically for me. And you can show them lots of different examples. And these Facebook ads simply work. And if you're thinking to yourself, yeah, Kevin, this sounds amazing, right? I'd love to go message all of these people. I'd love to use, you know, many leads inside Marketer Magic to do that. But how do I actually run their Facebook ads, right? And so there's a couple of ways that you can do this. Think about it for yourself. Who would you want to show these ads to? If you're talking to a real estate agent in Las Vegas, then obviously you're only going to target people who live in Las Vegas, right? You're gonna wanna target people, you know, who maybe recently moved. You're gonna wanna target people who've recently shown interest in, you know, sites like Zillow, sites like Redfin, things like that. And so that's just a very basic intro, but there's a lot of ways to really make this work. And the thing is, guys, when you make this work for real estate agents and you're making them more money than they would be making without you, it's the easiest sale in the world, getting them to pay you $1,000 a month, $2,000 a month, $2,500 a month. I have many students inside of my private Facebook group, specifically for SMMA or social media marketing agencies who are making tens of thousands of dollars per month, literally doing exactly what I just showed you. And the thing is, you can do this with anything. The information is here. It's right in front of your fingertips inside of Marketer Magic in the Many Leads app, right? So my advice to you guys would be join Marketer Magic. Take advantage of the completely free trial. Send us a message on Facebook Messenger. Join the Facebook group. We're also available right here if you have any questions at all. I really wanted to make this, you know, as user-friendly as possible for the people who are serious about making this work, because the truth is, guys, the information is right at your fingertips inside of Many Leads right here. And there's a lot of other tools that are really, really exciting if you have an online business, if you're making money, you know, that are gonna really 2x, 3x, 10x your business. And so the very first thing that you should do once you sign up for the free trial is check out Marketer University. You can learn a lot in these videos. They're super short and they're very, very informative about how to take your digital marketing to the next level. And so sign up for Marketer Magic, check out the free trial, check out Many Leads, because the thing is, guys, even if you get just one customer paying you $1,000 per month, that, you know, easily pays for Marketer Magic for the entire year and beyond. And so Many Leads is the most obvious decision in the world. All it takes is you doing the actual work and contacting all of these people using this script that I actually wrote for you guys, right? And if you're thinking to yourself, Kevin, yes, this sounds great, but how do I actually run the Facebook ads? I've never done that before. Well, if you're interested, we actually are hosting a completely free training where you can check out right here, where we teach you exactly how to run Facebook ads for cash-rich businesses and make a significant profit doing it. You can join thousands and thousands of my students who've checked out that training and have joined our private family. So check out our free training in this link right here down in the description, or if you're interested in learning more about how to set up a social media marketing company, check out this video right here where we reveal the one secret that you need to know to do it the right way. See you guys there. What is up, guys? We did it once before with this bad boy right here. We got this video on how to become an expert at Facebook ads in one video from 0 to almost 2 million views in just over a year, and we're about to do it